Hello everyone, today's a beautiful day in West Gray, blue skies, no wind. I should be out flying a drone, but I'm here to talk about something totally different. Remember, I put together my cart and I got the John Deere tractor. This is outdoor stuff. So about a year ago I switched a lot of my power tools over to cordless, battery operated, and I chose Dewalt 20-volt systems. So today we're looking at a 5-amp battery, 20-volt XR, and we're going to power it on this chainsaw, 20-volt Dewalt chainsaw, brushless. I used to think, oh, you need gas, you need electric at the least, but I've used this a couple of times and I thought it's time to bring it to you and see how good it is. It really is good for what it is. I've just filled it up with oil, and I've used my summer oil, and we're ready to go. It's a 13-inch. It's beautiful. Okay, let's see how we work. Chain, 12-inch, fairly tight. It's got an automatic tightener, and this comes apart, and I'll show you that at the end when it gets all dirty. And it's a push in. That's what it does. Let's see how good it works. Got one here. There we go. Continue doing on this one here. Okay, we just finished this tree, and you can hear it starting to go. I think I ran out of space on the camera SD card, so I just kind of removed some files and I continued where I left off. So I just finished pruning this tree a little bit, and you can hear the It's not quite as fast as it used to be. It'll probably last another 5 minutes or so, but that's not bad. That's portable. Take it in the woods, do whatever you want with it. The Dewalt brushless 12-inch cordless 20-volt chainsaw. Beautiful piece of machinery. I'm just going to go clean it up and we'll see it there. Okay? So here it is after all that. We've still got quite a bit of oil in it. That's okay. And it gets pretty mucky in here, but we just got our brushes here. Undo this. Comes out like that, and that's how dirty it is. So all I'm going to do is take my spray gun and spray it all out, clean it up, and we'll see what it looks like. There we are, all cleaned up, ready to go for the next time. Put the cover on, and away we go. Battery out, charge it up, away we go again. Great machine. Thanks for watching.